Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. So you require all the gigabytes driver you can find here. Okay, and after that you can see this is search button. You just click it and enter the model number of your motherboard H310M and space S2 and then hit enter. This is series 310. Then click on product. Just click it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system in Windows 10 and 11. So all this is driver, it will be same installations process any operating system. Okay, so first audio driver, and this is, and click to download and just open it and double click to launch, then click on yes. Now this is extract first. Now audio driver is installing. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Chipset driver. So first try to this one, click to download INF installer. When it is completed, then open it, right click, open. This is setup chipset, right click to open, then run, then click to yes, next, install. After completed, then click to OK and then close it. Intel Management Engine firmware. This is download button, click to download. So just open it after downloaded. Select, right click, open. Then click on yes. After that you can see this is start installations. It will take some time, so it is install and after that close. Okay, and then finished, close it. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. It is completed, then open it, double click to open, then yes. So it is closed means this is installed. Close. VGA driver, graphic Intel graphic driver, and you have to click on this is download button. So when you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. So it is completed, then open it. Open, this is installer, so right click to open, then run. Then click on yes. Now this is bring click on being install. This is four way to install. First pre-install, setup and install, and then one by one completed, and then it is all done, and then next to install. After that you just close, and after that close it and then restart your system. Thank you.